Let's talk about what I think is a lot of people's least favorite weather element: wind. A cold front moved through southern Idaho on Wednesday, and following that, winds picked up pretty significantly. Some of which I'll show right here. Boise saw a 38-mile-per-hour wind gust. Nothing too extreme there, although that is strong for Boise. Further east, that's where those winds really became noticeably gusty, and they could be hazardous at this level. Twin Falls had a max wind gust of 52 miles per hour. A couple other noticeable places with really strong winds today was Minidoka in southern Idaho. 51-mile-per-hour wind gust was measured there. And Little McCoy Creek, which is an area in Harney County in eastern Oregon. A 61-mile-per-hour wind gust today. So these winds can cause damage in multiple ways. Loose trees, loose fences can topple over, patio furniture can blow around, high-profile vehicles can blow around. Unfortunately, these strong winds are going to stick around for Thursday.